Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day. It is my 311th Floss Tube. Today is December 16th, 2025. 9 days until Christmas. So we have our December cup and I'm drinking jasmine green tea. This one is by Simple Truth. That is my favorite green jasmine tea. So yeah, we had kind of a week. I'm telling you, I don't know how it all evolved, but yeah, we did a few things. Oh my goodness, didn't go anywhere. Well, other than up and down the road to grocery store and the dollar store and the thrift store and I can't remember, and the post office. Yep. Yeah, we chased packages all weekend. Yeah, it was fun. But we did get a few things done. I had 3 reviews, well, 2 reviews and like an unbagging from a special friend. Thank you, Jane, for all those gorgeous kits. And we did start one of those, so we add that to the other 2, so we had 3 starts this week. And I worked on about 5 or 6 other things this week. So let's get to what we started in no particular order. And this one, I believe, came from Diamond. Look. Yep, Diamond Art Decor. If I can get it out of here, and I did not get back to it. Of course. Let me see if I can pull it, maybe, up enough so you can see the actual picture. There's a sticker in between. So it's called The 4 Little Kittens. And we started right over here in this cat with kind of a burnt orange color. Yeah, that is all I got done this week on that because I never got back to it. I was busy running up and down the road. I'm telling you, some weeks are like that. Oh yeah, the post office had a nervous breakdown starting on Monday of last week, and it took until probably Saturday before they got everything out because they had 3 people quit, and they were all related, so they all quit. And they went on to do other things. But yeah, that left the post office in a big tizzy. And yeah. So I'm like, where's this? Where's that? It was awesome. And of course, I made an order at Amazon. And they had to send everything separately. Yeah, I was about ready to kill Amazon. But yeah. But we finally got everything. So yeah, it was awesome. Gotta find the canvas here. It's all mooshed down in the... Seriously. Some days I should learn to take them out of the bag. This one was from Fan Cells and it's called Winter Snow Scene, I believe. Yeah, it's beautiful. I like it. It's just so light and airy and, you know, the way snow is. And I can't figure out where we stitched. Which way does it go? So, fold it in half. We're having a day. So, I just got that much of that tree done. Next to, there's a house almost. You can see that. So, yeah, didn't get back to it either. Because I was working on another project. And you'll see that in a minute. So, that's 2 of the 3 we started. And maybe, baby. This is the one that I got from my friend Jane. And we're calling it Christmas Skating. And we started, of course, on that tree right there. And I did get some of this building started. So... yeah, let me see where it's at. And I got to get the thread out of the way so you can see. So I got as much as I wanted to into that tree because kind of over trees. That seems like all I started in the past 2 weeks are trees. So I wanted some of that building started. So yeah, it's coming along great. Thank you, Jane. It is gorgeous, and we're just gonna keep it out and keep stitching on it. It'll be like Return from Christmas, and we'll get it out every year, but I will stitch on it some more the rest of this month. Can't make no promises for next month. Who knows? And let's see. That was the 3 starts. I think I worked on this one, and I call it the Christmas Window, and it came from GBFKE. Maybe might be able to get it out. I think I put some more time into it, and it looks like this one. So we've been working on this door. I haven't deviated from the door yet. So a door is better than a tree at this point, right? So about got the door done. There's a few more symbols in there. I'm not sure how many. And then we'll go wherever. But I really like that one. I think it's beautiful. I really, really do. They're all beautiful. That's half my problem, right? And we also worked on Little Rabbit in the Library. Isn't it pretty? Oh, love it. And we were working on that round part that the bunny is sitting on, so didn't get too much of that done. Can't remember if I put any more down in there or not, but yeah, I love that. Just absolutely love it. So it might be my winter project. And I know, scary but true. Yeah, I got really brave. What was that? Monday? Yeah. Thought I'll do this right before I go to work. Let's see if I can get it to... Don't mind the string here. This, I don't know who that came from. Biggest Craft, and it's the little girl bunny. So I started to put the back stitching in. So I got a little bit of that done, and around her face, and I'm starting, and a little bit around that arm of hers. So I'm coming down this way. I'm taking the easy route first, because there's a lot of, just a little tick here, and a little tick there. Handle the easy part first. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just kind of keep going at that one. And this one, oh gosh, I don't remember who I got this from. Y'all do, but, and it's in the video, because I know I've had a stitch with me. I gotta turn it up the right side. This is, I think it's, I called it Winter House. So I've been working in this peak-ish area, and maybe even, I think, I can't tell by this stupid picture. So yeah, I think I'm working in this peak. Could be one of those two. So yeah, that took most of my attention. Let me just open it up fully so you can see. There's the tree. I kind of abandoned the tree because I wanted to work on the building, but I couldn't tell it by the picture, so I think it's the big part. But I didn't start on, hold please. I didn't start on the snow that is like on this side here, and then it goes like down. Here's the chimney of that house. So yeah, I wanted to get what the building looked like. Yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous too. They're all gorgeous. And I believe that goes with that. I hate when I set my thread down. And of course, I also worked on Watertown Memory. Let me see if I can get this to go where it needs to be. It's more together than the Hairpin Lady. So wherever you see that dark, I started putting all that dark in, and I about got it across there, and then I can start on whatever else is left, you know, in between. It's just got a lot of colors and a lot of color changes. Yeah, and I have to keep referring to the, you can tell we have a little ways to go. Just a little. We'll get that done next week, right? Not. So, is it upside down? Oh, shit. Ouch. So, yeah, it's like you have to go back up here to see where a certain symbol is, so I don't have to look it up in the book, because that's a nightmare. But it's coming along. I'm getting that these porches done, and then I can work on that roof right in there. That's what I was attempting to do, so yeah. And oh please. Alright, and last but not least is the Hairpin Ladies, and we've been working on her sash thing there, just trying to get that red in. I think, was it 321? Might have been, I don't remember. But yeah, I'd like to get that done, get this all, where you see green is all that white. So yeah, coming down, coming down, coming down. Yeah, and then I'll have all that to do. All this, I'll call it like a pale green, is the way it's showing up. That's all purple. Yeah, it'll be another hot moment. So I'm trying to get the bigger areas done little by little, you know. We'll have a stitch with me, and then we won't do that for another 6 weeks, you know. But they're all getting there, little bit by little bit. But that is everything that I worked on, and everything that I started. So yeah, not a clue what we're doing on Saturday for December Saturday stitching. I'd like to start with, or not start, continue with more of the Christmas themed things this week. So if I do or don't have reviews or anything like that, we'll be doing Christmas stuff. And I may even start that cute little mouse pillow, you know, that I have. So not like we're going to finish it before Christmas, but we'll see. It has less back stitching in than the rabbit girl. Yeah. Other than that, guys, that is about it for this week. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.